About this item: 3-pack design for you, great 3-pack design for you and your family. This Veetone Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter can be carried and used in various places such as work, life, travel, party, sports, which makes your life more convenient. This iPhone headphones adapter can also be used as a gift for a holiday or birthday for your family and friend. Impressive sound quality. 100% copper wire core provides high-speed and stable signal transmission for better experience. Support up to 48 kHz and 24-bit lossless output makes high fidelity on the music. It's a wonderful solution to let you enjoy the music. Widely compatibility. You will be able to listen to music with the headphones/earphones for iPhone 12, 12 Pro/12 Pro Max/SE November 11, 2020 Pro/11 Pro Max/XS/XS Max/XR/X108765. Veetone auxiliary cord also supports control music volume and pause. Compatible with iOS December 13, 14 or later systems. Plug and play, no extra software, you just plug in and enjoy pure high-fidelity sound quality. This iPhone auxiliary adapter allows you to enjoy your favorite music, movies, and videos with 3.5mm jack headphones.